Did you have the habit of doing the smoking for the last 2 years? Did you quit the smoking just recently? If yes, then wait. You do need to clean your lungs, and this can just be made possible through this amazing and best drink 3 plants that will help you in cleaning your lungs very easily. So, here is complete recipe for after quitting smoking, how to clean lungs naturally. This natural drink has been included with the 3 magical ingredients known as turmeric as well as ginger and onions. Main ingredients of 3 plants natural drink are as follows. 1. Ginger. This spice has been in use for the last so many ancient years, as it is best used in favor of the healing properties. It is even used for the removal of the excess mucus in the lungs. 2. Onion. On the next we will mention about onion that is said to be rich with its anti-cancer properties. It is even said around to be excellent when it comes to the numerous malignant conditions. In simple, we can say that it is efficient in the prevention of various diseases of the respiratory system. 3. Turmeric. On the last we will mention about turmeric that is high in amount with the vitamins and minerals. It do contains the super healthy omega-3 fatty acids. It has been included with the antiviral plus, with the antibacterial, and anti-cancer properties. How to make 3 plants natural drink. Ingredients: 400 grams of port, 1 liter of water, 400 grams of sugar, 2 tablespoons turmeric, ginger root the size of a thumb. Procedure to make 3 plants natural drink. 1. In the first step you will be adding the sugar in the water, and place it on the fire, and let it boil. 2. In the next step you will dice the onions, and then you will be going to cut up the ginger root, and then you will be going to add both to the sweetened water. As soon as the mixture gets boils again you will be going to add turmeric and reduce the heat to a slight temperature. 3. Now you will be cooking the mixture until and unless the amount of water is reduced by half. After it you will just be going to filter and pour into a glass jar. As you are done with it, you will be placing it in the fridge for some time. 4. Now just take out 2 spoons of the elixir in the morning,